Nebraska, Burt, Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Odo, Sarpy, Saunders, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison, Mills, and Pottawatomie. Remember, the National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sarpy County, northwestern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, central Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles south of Elmwood, or 19 miles east of Lincoln, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elmwood around 4:05 p.m. Murdoch around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Louisville and Cedar Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Odo, and Sarpy. Tornado